Hello guys, welcome to Excel Argo Trader, and you can see here time is 28 means 8:28. Date is 18 July 2024. Well, you can see here today I'll show you how our dashboard should be set for Excel Argo trading. Just I'll show you how our this parameter should be set. Okay, here if you want to run Excel Argo Trader means do a trading automatically, you have to set this parameter. First you have to turn on this live trading. See here, live trade is on and on off option. If you have to on here for the live trade, and exactly you have to set the today's exact date, means today is 18, so I have set it there 18th July 2024. After setting this, it's not over yet. Here you have to go for your strategy list. You can see here this is a strategy list. And you can see here, if you want to trade in Excel Argo, you have to set this strategy. In what strategy you want to trade in? Like you like to trade in RTP levels or safe entry levels or breakout levels, or you don't want to trade anything, just turn off it. Today we have set the breakout strategy levels. How our breakout strategy levels will work today? Let's see. I have made a small live trading today to show you how our Excel Argo trade will work. Okay, let's see here. Today our order book. This is our order book. You can see here, this is our order book where our orders are executed. In the same while, if the orders are executed here, it will also execute in a Alliance Blue terminal also. Alliance Blue broking terminal also. Same orders will execute in the same exact time and exact date. You can see here Bank Nifty input option, it is sell, and we made profit. We have taken only for video purpose to show how our Argo will help out you when you with a little quantity with market, and we made profit of rupees 14,052. And you can see here all our trading symbols. Bank Nifty put options, and this is strike price. Put option was in sell, and Bank Nifty was in buy option. You can see like this only. Here Bank Nifty futures, you can see here this is a Nifty. This is Nifty futures was in buy option, and we made a profit rupees 6,500. Okay, like this how our Excel Argo trade will work. Got it? How to use it? Okay. Now next we'll go for breakout strategy, and most of prefer to see a breakout strategy to give you 80 to 75 to 80 or 85% accuracy is our breakout strategy. Sometimes you have to see for safe entry also. Most of I'll prefer you to use a breakout strategy only. Now next let's see our Nifty 50 index. Okay, here is a Nifty 50 index. I have made a list of here to show you people how our breakout strategy will work. Okay, we'll go for index now. Nifty 50 index, and you can see here this is a market's Nifty 50 index NSE, and here where our buy level was generated in 24,658, and you can see here where our buy level was generated. Here was our buy level was generated, and it went up to 24,838, almost 181 points. Index, it reached up to 181 points. You can see here these are high level of buying in Nifty 50. as you can see here in Nifty July, strike price is 24,650. We can see here same as you can see here. Why was generated here once again? You can see here the buy was generated here and it reached up to 341. The buy was generated in 249 and it reached up to 341, almost 91 points up. Okay, let's cross check here what our 650 breakout strategy is telling. Okay, here you can see here Nifty July call option, strike price is 24,650. Buy level was generated in 249 and sell was 201. You can see here 249. I showed you already. Buy level was generated in 249. In way it made up to profit of 300. Market went up to 340. Okay, this is how our Nifty future was. I mean call option was. Next, let's see the next one, like 24,700. Our strike price is 24,700. You can see here 24,700 Nifty June call option 24,700 and sell was for 178. Okay, we'll see what are market telling. You can see here buy was for 22,000. 222. You can see I have marked already. Market went for 222 and it reached here up to 222 to 309. 309, almost 87 points. You made a profit here. Okay, you can see here. Now sell was here. Okay. Now next we'll go for Nifty June. Strike price is 24,750 call option. You can see here once again 750 call option and buy rate was 198. You can see here everything I made it ready to make it little faster because you should be little faster to see how our Excel Argo trade will work. So this is our buy level were generated here at 198, 188, not 199 or 198. Yes, 19. You can see here our buy level was generated in 198 here and market went up to 278. You can see almost 80 points up to our levels. Okay, or 80 points up to our levels. You can see here 278 means 80 points up. Okay, fine. You can just clarifying how our market strategy will work, our breakout market strategy will work. Okay, now next we'll see. Okay friends, we'll see now Nifty future. You can see a Nifty future here, this one. Let's see what our Nifty future buying level is telling. You can say Nifty future is 24,683. 24,683. Let's cross check here. I have made it ready here. 24,683. Market was here and market went up to 24,839. Exactly 24,839, and you can see almost 154 points 154 points were up to our levels. You can see here 154 up to our levels. That's great, no? And this is our sell level. Now let's see Bank Nifty. Let's go from Bank Nifty. You saw how Nifty worked in our breakout strategy. Now let's see in safe entry. Let's see in safe entry how our Bank Nifty strategy works. Okay, let's it's Bank Nifty August 24 future option. In futures we'll see. Let's see our Bank Nifty in safe entry strategy. Let's see our safe entry strategy, how it works in Bank Nifty. You can see here 52 August future. Let's see how our safe entry strategy worked in Bank Nifty futures. It is buy option gave for buy generated in 52 565. You can see here 52 565. You can see exactly 52 565 now. Here where our buy was generated, exactly here where our buy was generated, and market went up to, see how our Bank Nifty went up to, you can see here, this is how our Bank Nifty worked in safe entry strategy. Will work like superb. Let's see our, and now let's see the Bank Nifty options, call option. Let's see Bank Nifty call option. Strike price is 52,200, is it? I have made it ready. Yes, this is where. And let's see our 847. This is where our 847 buy was generated. This is where our buy was generated in Bank Nifty call option. That is strike price is 52,200, is it? And let's see how many points we got in Nifty, I mean Bank Nifty. Wow, that's really great. And market was at, buy was generated from 847 and market went up to 1106. Just 259 points you earned in Bank Nifty call option. This is where our Bank Nifty is making huge profit in safe entries. You can see here. This is how our software works. This is how our breakout strategy and safe entry strategy works. And today hope you got to know little points about breakout strategy and most of safe entry strategy also. Have little confident to use in safe entries also. It's quite good. Sometimes breakout strategy is much better, I think. This is how our safe entry strategy or else breakout strategy works. This is how our software works. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.